In this video, you will see how to put square root in WPS Office. There are different ways to insert square root in WPS Office. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the Insert tab, and under the Insert tab, you will see here the option of Equation. You need to use this equation box to enter the square root symbol along with the numbers. At the bottom, click on Insert New Equation and you will see this equation box. Under the equation tool, you will see the option of square root. However, notice that when you click on it and type the number, the line over the number will not be extended. This also happens with the cube root and fourth root as well. So to solve this problem, you need to go here. Under the radical drop down, you will see the option of this square root and radical with degree. So just if you want a square root, you can select the first option, and in this dotted box, type the number you want. If you want cube root, fourth root or any root, just select this second option, radical with degree. In the dotted box, you can type the numbers whatever you want. And if you don't want the italics, you can simply select everything. Go to the Home tab and click on I to remove the italics of the numbers. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office Writer. See you again in the next one.